almost lost everything. Hi guys! Hello! We made it to Bali! Woo! Oi, oi. Expectations, surfing, tanning, swimming, reality. Everything is wet. We almost lost all of our stuff. We are here for 5 minutes and we almost lost everything. She is the MVP! MVP! They own me! So, we actually arrived yesterday. So, this is what happened so far. What do you have? Orange, watermelon, and lime. Okay. Tastes like watermelon.
Yeah. Mango, papaya. Papaya, I think. I don't recognize mango.
Okay. Orange juice, mango, and papaya. It's quite thick, the consistency.
Same.
I think also the papaya and the mango. No orange juice. It's quite good. What do you have? Sparkling natural water. Taste test. Good. Good. So that he can marry her. Samana becomes very angry and leaves alone. Dat is echt eerlijk.
Wine. Very good wine.
And it was only how much?
$2.50.
$2.50. Good morning. Today we are leaving our next spot here. So this was my bed. This was Letty's bed. Yeah. She's chilling right now. This was Rebecca's bed. And here's Emma struggling with her suitcase. No, it's not a suitcase, but a backpack. With her backpack. Nice. And this is where we stayed. It's very cute. So it's the Bombora surf camp. It gives a little bit of Greek vibes. And then you go up right here on the stairs. And then our room is the one totally in the back. And we have a private room for the 4 of us, which is really nice. And we had our a shower. This was the shower. And then this was the toilet. It's very big for a toilet room. So, what are we doing today, Rebecca?
Water sport! Nusa Dua. Water ski. Water sport!
Bali.
Lot time to learn Balinese.
Yeah. Suksuma. En Moali. Suksuma. En Moali. Suksuma. Moali. Suksuma. Moali.
Dank u wel, hè?
Ja. En graag gedaan.
Graag gedaan.
Really?
Ja.
Draaien en dan uitproberen. En dan ik zit slecht. Zie mijn poep. Ik zit slecht. Oh, dit is kijk cool. Oh nee, dat is wel heel hoog. Maar ik ga daar afglijden. Ik zit kei slecht. Mijn poep valt eraf. Oh, maar dat is wel heel, dat is wel heel hoog. Hi guys, parasailing right now. It's very high. It's very high. Charlotte, dat is wel heel... Ja, maar ik glij hier vanaf. Ik moet keihard inspanning doen om daar niet vanaf te vallen. Doe dat maar niet. Kijk naar mijn poep, man. Kijk naar mijn poep. We zijn naar beneden aan het gaan. Dat vind ik niet erg. Hi guys. Hello. We're parasailing in Bali. Zie je? Haal ons hier af. Oh. Dat schokte. Ik ben echt aan het sterven.
Meanwhile,
I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky. Oh wauw, dat is kei mooi. Ja. Hoe hoog zitten we? Ik denk dat als je wat neer zegt dat het waait hoor. Dat denk ik niet. Jawel. Wow, dat weet ik niet. Oh, it's pretty. It's so beautiful. Zalig. Come on. Celebration time comes. Hartje. Ja, want when the sky is falling down en wij gingen die lucht in. Dan denk je nog zo, see you tomorrow. That is see you tomorrow. Wat is dit? 5 minuten in de zee. Dirt. Bye.
Oh, some fairy tale gives something I can turn to, somebody I can kiss. I want something just like this.
Hello! We made it to our next destination, Kuta, and we have a really fun room. So, here's Rebecca.
There's a table.
There's a bunk bed right here, a TV,
Some
swans on the double bed. Leticia is here as well.
Should I show the douche?
Yes, so we have a douche right here, and then here is one as well.
Smelling.
We have 2 showers, and then
A pipi room.
a bathroom, a toilet, and then we have Emma on the swing, because there's a swing. Are you enjoying it? Yes.
of alcohol.
Not a lot.
A lot. Cheers.
And what do we think?
Yeah. It's refreshing. You want to taste?
It smells like beer. Henneken. Brandy and slime.
We have to celebrate Bali this New Year. We call them Silent Day.
Silent.
Yeah, in Bali we call them Nyepi.
Yippee.
Nyepi. Nyepi is meaning silent.
Silent.
Silent for 24 hours.
Oh, you have to be silent for 24 hours?
Yes.
Oh,
So
wow.
no factory, no plane also come to Bali, no plane
Wow.
get out from Bali, no car on the street, no motorbike. Just stay in a home for 24 hours.
And pray then.
Yes.
Wow.
Everybody have, every house have a one temple, and then every village also they have a one temple.
And then every
Wow.
city has a major temple.
Yes.
Wow.